Yep, back at this Fender. I'm gonna start cutting this out. And from what I've seen, the rust seems to be built up underneath here, but it's bubbling out. So I figure right about it here. That's where I drew the line. Now I'm going to try not to go too far with this. I'm trying to make, until I get in there, that's how far this rust has gone. The patch. You know the police are going to be here pretty soon.
Yeah, why?
Because I have no eye protection, nose protection, hearing protection, face protection. Well.
You want your headphones here?
Jackie Gleason, Art Carney. And there was one episode where they were learning how to play golf.
Yeah.
And Jackie Gleason looked at Art Carney, says he was reading him the instructions. So he says you have to first address the ball and all this baloney. So same thing here. You have to address your cut. So when you put the new metal in here, this is pretty thick metal.
Got one bar left.
So he looked at him. He says, what do you say? He says, you gotta adjust the ball. He goes, hello, ball. Same thing here. You gotta address this freshly cut Fender. So I'm gonna address it. Hello, Fender.
Do you hear what I said?
What's that?
Got one bar left.
One bar left.
Yeah.
How? When I just charged that up?
Got one bar left.
Okay, folks. While I take care of my bar here situation, I'll be right back. Later.